You sat down, made a budget, wrote down every category, told yourself this time would be different. It wasn't. Day 1, fine. Day 4, a birthday dinner. Day 9, car registration. Day 12, the budget is in the bin. And then comes the feeling, you failed. Again, maybe you're just not a money person. Maybe discipline is something other people have. But here is what nobody tells you. The budget didn't fail because you're weak. It failed because budgets are the wrong tool for how human brains actually work. This is not a video about making a better budget. It is a video about why budgets fail at a psychological level and what replaces them. Budgets are built on a false assumption that you will behave the same way in the future as you plan to right now. You won't. Your brain prioritizes right now over later. Always. This is called present bias. It is not a character flaw. It is a feature of every human brain ever studied. There is also decision fatigue. Every time your budget makes you consciously choose, spend, or save, you burn mental energy. Eventually, you stop choosing. You just spend. Willpower is a finite resource. The more decisions you make about anything, the less you have. By evening, your budget has no defenders left. So when people say, just be more disciplined, they're asking you to fight biology with willpower. That is like trying to hold back a river with your hands. The personal finance industry has a vested interest in making you feel like failure is your fault. If you blame yourself, you buy the next book, the next app, the next course. Studies consistently show that strict budgeting has a failure rate above 80%. That is not a personal failure rate. That is a method failure rate. If 80% of people fail at the same thing, the thing is broken, not the people. You would not blame 80% of drivers if the same car kept crashing. There is also the restriction effect. Tell yourself you cannot spend on something, and your brain immediately wants it more. Budgets trigger this constantly. You are not broken. The method is broken, and there is a replacement that works with your psychology instead of against it. No willpower required. The replacement is not a better budget. It is a system. A system removes decisions. It runs automatically, and it does not care how tired you are. The core principle is called pay yourself first. Your savings move automatically on payday before you see the money, before your brain can argue. The second tool is spending categories, not budget lines. You allocate pools of money once a month. When a pool is empty, that category is done. No tracking, no guilt. When money moves automatically, you eliminate the daily decision loop entirely. The willpower battery never even gets touched. You spend what is in the account. That is the whole system. You set this up once, it runs every month without you. The hard part is not maintaining it. The hard part is doing the setup. That takes about 30 minutes. Here is what the setup actually looks like. Step 1. On payday, an automatic transfer moves your savings amount out. Pick an amount, even $20. Step 2. Divide what is left into spending pools. 4 categories: maximum, food, transport, fixed bills, everything else. Do this once in your banking app. Step 3. When a pool runs out, it is out. You do not top it up. You do not feel guilty. You just wait until next payday. That is the rule. That is all of it. Something shifts when you do this. You stop thinking about money constantly. The anxiety drops because the system is handling it, not you. The goal is not to know where every dollar went. The goal is to make sure the important dollars go first and spend the rest without guilt. Will this make you rich? No. Will it stop the cycle of budget guilt and restart collapse? Yes. That is worth something on its own. This is the foundation layer, combined with an automated investment, a debt payoff plan, and an emergency fund. The system builds, one layer at a time. If you take one thing, set up one automatic transfer this week. Not next month, this week. Whatever amount, just make it move without you. Budgets were never the problem. The assumption that humans run on logic and willpower was the problem. These videos exist to show you what actually works. If this video helped explain it for you, please hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below.